Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is Gifty, the gift to your hair. On this channel I help you achieve the look that you have always envisioned, and I am your hairstylist Gifty. So in this video we're going to be doing a lace closure sew-in. To start off, I braid her hair down. Now I'm going to moisturize her scalp to make sure that everything is perfect. I am using the net because her hair is silky, plus her hair is really thin, so by me just sewing the bundles onto her hair, that's not going to be beneficial. Using the net create more space so I can add all her bundles onto her head. On top of that, I'm not adding so much tensions onto her scalp compared to me just sewing the bundles directly onto her scalp. The net is great for people with thin hair, fragile hair, and silky texture hair because it gives me more space to add more tracks. Plus, I'm not adding direct tension onto your scalp, I'm adding it onto the net. So right now I'm going through with the very first bundle. We're using the black bundle first, adding it into the back. The bundles are from gifty.org. I am using black and blonde mixture from gifty.org, and the links 16, 18, 20. 20 inches the black bundles, and the 16 and 18 inch are both the blonde bundles. I'm going to go through and sew the remaining of the blonde bundles throughout the entire hair. And here is how one black bundle and one blonde bundle looks. That's only two bundles of hair, super full and thick. Now I am sewing through the lace closure to make sure that it's tacked down to her braids. The lace closure sewing can last you up to a month. The bundles from gifty.org are reusable, so you can reuse it up to how many times until it gets, ruined, old, matted, whatever not. But roughly you have about 2 years. You're able to rewear your bundles multiple times. The lace closure sewing, like I said, lasts up to a month. You do have to come back in for your 2 weeks touch up to fix up the front part, which I'm working on right now. The lace part does need to be touched up, but the sewing in the back can last you an entire month. So we're using a lace closure for this installment in blonde as well, and we use one black bundles of 20 inches in the back. I'm going over right now, just making sure that the closure part looks amazing. Just really nice, making sure everything is perfectly fine. And then we're gonna go into styling of the hair. Now that I'm all done with the styling of the hair, she loves her hair. This was for her birthday. We did a black and white combination. Super cute. White is like the blonde color in the front part. Super cute with the bust down middle part. Lovely body wave curls on this lace closure sew-in. If you're looking to book an appointment with me, all my information is in the description box. At the end of the video, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Gifty, the gift to your hair, and I'll see you next time on this channel. Please do like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye beautiful people.